The Jeep Avenger Altitude Electric is a compact electric SUV that offers a blend of off-road capability, style, and efficiency. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Exterior. Rugged styling. The Avenger Altitude Electric maintains Jeep's iconic design language with a rugged and muscular exterior. Unique features. It features distinctive black accents, LED headlights and taillights, and a charging port located on the front fender. Interior. Modern and comfortable. The interior is well appointed with comfortable seats, a user-friendly infotainment system, and ample cargo space. Technology. The Avenger Altitude Electric comes with advanced features like a touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a suite of driver assistance technologies. Performance. Electric powertrain. The Avenger is powered by an electric motor that delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration. Range. The exact range will depend on driving conditions and battery options, but it's expected to offer a practical range for daily commuting and short trips. Off-road capability. While not as hardcore as Jeep's larger models, the Avenger still has respectable off-road abilities with features like hill descent control and traction control. Charging options. The Avenger Altitude Electric supports both AC and DC charging, allowing for flexibility in charging options. The fast charging. DC fast charging can significantly reduce charging times, making it suitable for longer trips. Overall, the Jeep Avenger Altitude Electric is a stylish and capable electric SUV that combines the brand's rugged heritage with modern technology. It's a good option for those looking for a smaller electric vehicle with off-road capabilities. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.